Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we broke this level here, and on the lower time frames it looked quite convincing, and then we basically moved off it. Currently in aftermarkets trading, we are again on a mission to really try drive through this level. Now, I just want to highlight something here because there's a few concerns that I've got. So we are all being lulled into a sense of false security here by looking at this level as a significant level. Granted, there has been some fairly interesting price action on here. So we've got 2 weeks there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. We've got a lot going on at this level. But what I want to draw to your attention is that area there. Look at the buyers coming off this area. Okay, a little blip here. Buyers coming in there. Sort of buyers and sellers just moving up and above it. You can see sellers coming off it, buyers coming off it here, sellers coming off it here. So if you look at the bottom level, looking further back, there is a bit of interaction here. But in recent times, not much. Whereas this area here of 25,284 in recent times, been quite a bit of price action around that. Now, the other interesting part about that level is the Fibonacci. So this area here doesn't tie up to any Fibonacci level, but look what happens here. 61.8 ties up bang onto that level. That just leads me to believe that we are being lulled into a false sense of security, assuming that once we break through this level of 24420, that we're going back to all-time highs. Okay, so the Fed's going to come out today, probably print more money and announce more stimulus, probably even drop interest rates further into the negative territory or the zero interest rate territory. Granted, it may affect the market, but it can affect the market either way, up or down. I just believe that we are sort of lulled into this false sense of security here. I mean, even if I look at it on the monthly, you can see the monthly level here carries a little bit more weight than what we have down here. Okay, so anyway, that is why I am of the opinion that we are going to rally up to this level. And obviously we could go past it, and the question is whether we get a rejection bar off this level. But this is the area that I expect fireworks. So that's 25,284. If we move down to the 3 hour, we can see exactly what happened yesterday. So we rallied, lots of barbed wire, lots of tails, lots of confusion, exhaustion bar up to the level. You can see there, small, bigger, bigger into level, and then a big rejection bar, proper rejection bar with no follow through. So the big question is, what is happening at this level here? If we do reject it, then I anticipate we'll be moving down. But if we get through this, then you've probably got a fairly decent opportunity for a long. It's a good 840 points. Not to pull your nose up at that, but yeah, I think that is the area that I would really be concerned about. Anyway, if we just want to condense this a little bit because there are a few diagonal trend lines that are being ignored. So the first one, I think let's just use 8 hour for this here. Okay, so the first one here is obviously our wedge. Okay, so we've broken through the wedge. As far as I'm concerned, this is still a retest. A retest can happen all the way up to the 61.8 for me. Okay, the next question that we have is it just a bigger wedge? That's also a possibility. Okay, and the next scenario that we have here is it is a very fine, very tight channel. that we're running up in. Okay, so a couple of interesting things to bear in mind here. So, is it a breakout of the wedge in a retest, or is it a bigger wedge? Look at my oscillators. My oscillators are all grouping the upside on the higher time frames, indicating we are overbought right now. Okay, we know we had a significant level, and we know we've got an even more significant level above us. Okay, we have broken through the 150 here on the 8 hour, and we're basically finding support off it right now. So there is a level. Now, if I come down to the hour, there are many diagonals here which broke. So there was a trend line here which broke. Okay, if I move this trend line like this, okay, it broke, it retested, and now we're retesting again. So lots of things happening, lots of confusion, lots of ups and downs. But I think for me right now, diagonal trend lines, get rid of them. Don't pay attention to them right now. Pay attention to horizontals. They carry a lot more weight. And this key level, if we just make that red so we know that's a key level. Okay, and then this key level. So this is kind of the scenario that I see us playing out at the moment. So we are range bound, and we're not going to make any headway until the Feds have come out this afternoon. So I think we're going to be mucking around in this range, and it wouldn't surprise me to see it's 24,421 and 23,905. Those are the two areas that I see us sort of mucking around in today. Okay, that's pretty much the long and short of it for me at the moment. So I'm not interested in trading this right now. There's a lot going on, and if we just break down to a 15-minute and just give you a little bit of a zoom. So just from a price action perspective here, I used two different levels here. So this was an area of resistance and support here, resistance, and then it turned into support at the European Open. So it was definitely a long trade here. You can see we had a crossover the moving averages, we had a grouping of the oscillators, and we'd broken through the level and come back to test the level. So there's definitely an opportunity here. That opportunity was not to be snubbed. It was 340 points to the top of the channel, and then a slight break up, giving you an extra 400 points. So there definitely was an opportunity there. The important thing is that you need to have your levels drawn in. If you don't have your levels drawn in, you won't spot the opportunities. What we had was a sell-off back to this level, and look how many times we rejected this level. There, 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 and we wake up this morning and it's already in an upward trend. Okay, so the trend is up. What can I do about this? How do I get into this level? Just change the color here back to blue. So there is another level. See, it was used as resistance, broke through, didn't really find support there. Use the resistance here. So what we're doing is we're looking for some kind of a pullback back onto level. There's a small gap here as well. Okay, and there are a lot of micro levels in this setup. So what you're looking for is opportunity to come down, find its feet, and another long. Or what you're looking for is a break below this level and a retest. But then look at this, the size of the trade you've got. Like 60 points. This one down here is even less. This is 60 points as well. It could be 60, 70 points. So there are small trades here, but there's nothing really that stands out for me. And I'd prefer to be on the 1 hour anyway, and I'd prefer to be getting the longer trades rather than this volatile setup that we see here. So for me, I'm sitting on hands today. I'll wait for the Feds, see what the market's going to do with the Fed's news that they're going to come out with, And then we've still got two more big results. Okay, we've still got Facebook and Amazon coming out. So yeah, it's for me anyway. It's sit on hand still today. Wait, yesterday was extremely volatile. Big up, big down, big confusion. And what I'm seeing at the moment, I'm just seeing a retest of that level. Probably a fairly decent shorting opportunity at the moment. If I still no entry yet, you're obviously going to have to break. You're going to want to see a break below this area and then a retest of this area for a move down to the next level. That's pretty much all that I can see right now. Okay, there we go. I think from tomorrow we should get some action, probably even from tonight. We should get some decent action and some volatility coming in, or some trending action to come in that will allow us to get some decent trades in. But for now, I'm sit on hands until the Feds have come out. So we can see how the market's going to react to what the Feds are going to say, and then we'll take a trade from there. Yep, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers for now.